Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve NCERT Maths Class 6 Chapter 1 Knowing Odd Numbers, Exercise 1.3, question number 2. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. So this says, give a rough estimate by rounding off the nearest hundreds and also a closer estimate by rounding off nearest tens. So now here there are some questions given and we have to find their rough estimate and closer estimate. How will we find? To find the rough estimate, we need to round them off to their nearest hundreds place, and for finding a closer estimate, we need to round them off to their nearest tens places. Okay, so this might be a little easier. So let us start to solve. So A1, here it is 439 plus 334 plus it is 4317. Okay, now see what will we do here is first we will be finding the rough estimate. Okay, we will find the rough estimate. Okay, and for this we will round these off to the nearest hundreds places. Okay, so first we have 439. Now what will we do with this 439? Okay, now we are rounding it off to nearest hundreds place first. 400. Okay, 400. So 404 place, and then we move to the tens place to see we are having 3, so it is much more closer to 400. So that means 439 rounded off to nearest hundreds will give 400. Then 334, again 3 at hundreds place, move one place back, 3 at tens place also. So these two places will turn to 0 and nothing will be changed with the digit at the hundreds place. 300. Then 4317. Okay, so what will we do now? Again see, digit at hundreds place is 3. Okay, and then we are going to move one place back, that is at the tens place 1, and 1 we will turn that means that the digits will turn to 0 and nothing will be changed with the digit at the hundreds place. So digit at tens place and ones place will turn to 0 and the other digits will be the same. So 4 will be the same, 3 will be the same, these two digits will turn 0. Okay, so now if you will add them, 400 plus 300 plus 4300. Okay, so if you add them, 400 and 300 will be 700. Okay, 400 plus 300, that is 700, plus 4300. Okay, still we are having this. Now add them to get the answer. So now add them, that will give us 5000. Okay, so that is 5000, which is the rough estimate. Okay, now we will find the closer estimate. So for the closer estimate, what will we do? It is saying us to round off to the nearest tens place, Now see 439 here, tens place, you see 3 we are having, move one place back, we are having 9. That means what will we do? We will turn the digit at ones place to 0 and add 1 to 3. So 3 plus 1 again 4, and this 9 will turn to 0. So 440. Then 334 here, again see the tens place 3, move one place back, we are having 4. So 4, what does it mean? Digit at ones place will be 0, but nothing will be added to the digit at the tens place, because it is the place we are rounding off. Okay, so that is 3 and 4 will turn to 0, 330. Okay, then 4317. 1 is here at tens place, move one place back, you will get 7. Now that means we are having 7, which is more closer to 10. Okay, so that means digit at this ones place will turn to 0, 7 will turn to 0, and 1 will be added to the digit we are rounding off to the digit at the place we are rounding off, tens. So we will add 1 to 1 and that will give us 2. So 4, 3, 1 plus 1, 2, and 7 will turn to 0. Okay, 4320. So now we will add them. So 4320, okay. Then we have 440, and in the last we will take 330. 0 0 0 0 0, 2 plus 4 6 plus 3 9, 3 plus 4 7 plus 3 10, 0 and 1 is carried over, 4 will turn to 5. 5090 is the rough estimate. Okay, so this is how we will find the rough estimate and the 5090 is the closer estimate. So this is how we will find the rough estimate and the closer estimate of the. Now let's solve the B part. So B part is 1,08,734, okay, minus 47,599. Okay, so now we will find its rough estimate and closer estimate. Okay, so first of course we'll find the rough estimate, and for rough estimate we have to round off the number to the nearest hundreds place. Okay, so first we have this 1,08,734. The digit at hundreds place is 7. Move one place back 3, so that means this number will be same. 7, nothing will be changed. 3 and 4 will turn to zeros like this. Next we are having this 47,000, 5, 9 and 9. Now look, here we have 47,000, 5 is here at hundreds place. Move one place back 9, that means this 9 and the digit before it, this 9 also will turn to 0, and we will add 1 to this 5. So that is going to be 47,600. Okay, so 47,600. Okay, now we will add them. So let's start to add. First we will add 1,08,700, then 47,600. Now we will subtract them, not add but subtract. Okay, so 0 minus 0 0 only, 0 minus 0 0 only. 7 is here, 7 minus 6 will be 1, 8 minus 7 will be 1, 0 will turn to 10, 10 minus 4 will be 6, and 1 it is not having any value, so that is 61,100, which is the rough estimate. Now we will come to solve the closer estimate. Okay, so for the closer estimate we will round off the numbers to their nearest tens places. So first we have 1,08,734, digit at tens place is 3, move one place back we have 4, that means this 4 will turn to 0, nothing will be added to 3. So 1,08,730. Okay, then 47,599. We are having 9 at tens place, and if we go one place back to it, we will get 9 again over here. So then what we will do again, now we will turn this 9 to 0 and add 1 to this 9. Okay, so that is 47,000, and then 5 will be as it is, 9 will turn to 10, but you need to keep one thing in mind. Whenever you are adding 10, we cannot write 10, this 9 will turn to 10, so we will take 0 and 1 will be carried to 5. So that will be 600. Okay, now we will subtract them. Okay, so first we are having over here 1,08,730, and in the next one we have 47,600. Okay, so 47,600. Now we will subtract them. So that is 0 minus 0 0, 3 minus 0 3, 7 minus 6 1, 8 minus 7 1, 0 will turn to 10, 10 minus 4, that will be what, 6. So we get 67,130. Okay, 61,130, which is the closer estimate. Now we will solve the C part. C part is 8,325 minus 491. Okay. Now see, what will we do here? First, we will find the rough estimate. We will find the rough estimate. Okay. First, we have 8,325. So in this, we will see, we in the rough estimate we round off to nearest hundreds. Here it is hundreds place, move to tens place, we will get 2. So 2 and 5 will turn to 0, nothing will be added to this 3. Okay, so that is 8,300. Okay, next we have 491. So again 400 here, 4 is at hundreds place, move one place back, so we will get 9. Now that means 9 and 1 will turn to 0, but we will add 1 to 5, so that is 500. Now we will subtract them. 8300, just a second. So we have 8300 or 8300, and we have 500. Okay, so time to subtract. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 3. We cannot subtract 5 from 3, so this will turn to 13. 8 will turn to 7. 13 minus 5 is 8, and 7 will be as it is, so that is 7800, which is our rough estimate. Now we will find the next one, that is the closer estimate. Okay, we will find the closer estimate. So in the closer estimate, we will round off the number to the nearest tens place. So 8,325 will turn to what? 5 is here, so that is 8,300. Where 5 is here, so we will add 1 to 2. Okay, we will add 1 to 2, that will be 30, and 5 will turn to 0. So 8,330. 491. In this, what will we do? See, 9 is at tens place, move one place back, 1, so that is 1 will turn to 0, and nothing will be added to 9, so that is 490. Now we will subtract them. 8,330 minus 490. Okay, so that will give us 0 minus 0, 0, 3. We cannot subtract, this will turn to 13. This 3 will turn to 2. 13 minus 9, 4, 3. This will turn to 3. This will turn to 2. Okay, now when it has turned to 2, we will take 1 from 8. 8 will turn to 7. This 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 4 is 8. 7 will be as it is. So that is 7,840, which is the closer estimate. Now we will solve the D part. So D part is 4,89,348 minus 48,365. Now we will find their estimates. So first we will find the rough estimate. Okay, so for the rough estimate, what will we do? We will see we will round them off to the nearest hundreds places. We are having 4,89,000 and 348. So to the nearest hundreds, here we have 3. Move one place back to it, 4. That means 4 lakh. Just a second. So we get 4 lakh here. 89,000. This 3 will be as it is, and this 4 and 8 will turn to 0. Okay, so 4,89,300. Okay, now next number is 48,365. Now see, in this we are having 3 at hundreds place, but we are having 6 at tens place. So that means 3, we will add 1 to the 1 to this 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4, and 6 and 5 will both turn to 0. Now we have this. Now simply we will add them. Okay, so first we have 4 lakh. Now we will subtract them. So we have 4 lakh 89,300. Okay, this minus 48,400. So let's start. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 3 will turn to 13. 13 minus 4 will be 9, and 9 will turn to 8. 8 minus 8, 0. 8 minus 4 will be 4, and this 4 will be as it is. So 4,40,900 is the rough estimate. Okay. Now we are going to find the closer estimate. Okay. So in the closer estimate, we will do what? We will round them off to the nearest tens place. So first we have 4,89,348. So round off to nearest tens, 4 here, move one place back, 8 here. So we will add 1 to 4, 4,89,350. Okay, 4,89,350. Next we have this 48,365. 6 at tens place, move one place back, we have 5. That is again we need to add 1 to 6 and 5 will turn to 0. So 370. Okay. Now we will subtract them. So let us start. First we have this 4,89,500. Okay. And below that we will write 48,370. Now we will subtract 0 minus 0 0. This 0 will turn to 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 5 minus 3 4. Oh, this 5 will turn to 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 8 is again 1. 8 minus 4 is 4, and this 4 will be as it is. Okay. So that is closer estimate, that is 4,41,130. Now it says make 4 more such example. So just like these questions, you have to make 4 more examples and find their rough and the closer estimate. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing and take good care of yourselves. Bye bye.